went to McDonald's in the morning. That's bad. But you'll be able to eat all these things, right?
That'd be great.
Okay, so I'm here today with Maureen, one of our patients, and Merlinda. Everybody knows Merlinda. And Maureen, you had some major work done
Oh, yes.
When was
very
that?
major.
2 days ago, right?
Yes.
You want to tell us a little bit about what you had done?
Well, the bottom was I had to have, I think, 9 teeth removed.
Right, 19 yeah.
And of course stitches, and I have the implants set in. But now I have the temporary teeth, and they
Right.
feel so good.
These are your temps.
Yeah, I've never had a full set of mouth since I was 12 years, a full set of teeth in my mouth since I was 12 years old. So it feels very strange, but I'm really excited.
So you're
and
gonna.
I love how it looks.
Oh, I'm
You
glad.
guys did such a good job.
Thank you, appreciate
you.
that. So you're gonna practice reading, right?
Yes.
Because you've got to get used to having these teeth
Mhm.
in situations where you never had before. You have a full set now
Yes.
for the first time, and so we did the lowers 2 days ago,
Mm-hmm.
and we've got planned. You coming in? Is it this Monday? Right?
Monday.
For the
Yeah.
upper
So you
part.
come in a few days to do the top. We're gonna get those done,
Mhm.
and then it will be shortly after that that you have your snap-on implant teeth put in.
And I'm so excited. Really, very excited.
Anyway, it's been great, and I just wanted to.
And you guys have been so great. This whole office, I love this
Thank you.
office so much. Really.
Even Allison too, behind the camera, she's okay.
Oh, I love her too. Yeah, really, even when you walk in, people, hi, Maureen, how you doing? Just
That's
wait
nice.
a few minutes. They're very friendly here.
Yeah, everybody loves what we're doing
Yeah.
because we know we're making a difference in people's lives. So
Oh,
happy
absolutely.
happy you came in. Thanks.
I am too.
Okay, everybody, that's it. See
Thank
you.
you.